Hi, I'm Dr. Musial from Plant Docs. Why just have coffee in the morning when you can have a mushroom golden milk espresso latte? It's not only delicious, but it's healing, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and you get your daily dose of turmeric and other spices from the Daily Dozen from Dr. Greger. So delicious. I start by making the froth using oat milk that has 1 gram of fat per serving. I add a little bit of maple syrup for sweetening, and then together I froth this. I love my Breville espresso maker and frother. The frothing of the milk allows you to have a thicker, creamier consistency to your froth without using a higher fat product. This oat milk only has 1 gram of fat per serving. Start making the coffee or espresso with some good beans. Grind them up fresh in the morning. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, including polyphenols, which have been shown to benefit health in multiple studies. For my special latte, I use about 2/3 of the frothed oat milk and 1/3 espresso before adding the special ingredients. Then I like to add this JAHMU turmeric chai that has turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, fenugreek, cardamom, fennel seeds, cloves, nutmeg, black pepper, and pepper. It's a local Rhode Island product you can buy online. I usually add half a teaspoon, and then I found this amazing RYZE mushroom coffee powder that has 6 kinds of mushrooms in it. It has cordyceps, lion mane, reishi, shiitake, turkey tail, and king trumpet. And it has coffee in it. And then I just mix it all together. It's a golden milk mushroom espresso latte.